To redirect a domain to another in Godaddy, start by logging into your Godaddy account and navigating to the Domain Manager section. Here you will see a list of all the domains you have registered with Godaddy. Select the domain you want to redirect by checking the box next to it. Then click on the DNS tab and scroll down to the Forwarding section. In this section, you will see options to forward your domain to another website or domain. Click on Add Forwarding and enter the domain or website you want to forward to. Make sure to select the type of forwarding you want, either permanent or temporary. Permanent forwarding will redirect all traffic from your domain to the new domain, while temporary forwarding will only redirect traffic for a specified period. After selecting the type of forwarding, click on Add and the changes will be saved. It may take some time for the changes to take effect, so be patient and wait for the domain to propagate. It is also important to note that you can also set up domain forwarding at the DNS level by modifying the A records or CNAME records. However, this method requires more technical knowledge and is not recommended for beginners. In addition to domain forwarding, you can also set up email forwarding to forward emails from your old domain to your new domain. This can be done by clicking on the Email tab and setting up email forwarding. By following these steps, you can easily redirect your domain to another domain in Godaddy. Remember to always test your domain after making any changes to ensure that it is working correctly.